With us today is Horng Chii, the company renowned for its expertise in shoe and rubber machinery. They have been pushing boundaries in automation, from precision modeling to advanced control systems, helping manufacturers in precision, quality, and more. How does the company help in automating the injection, intrusion, and modeling processes for shoes?
Okay, because for the labor cost department now a lot of the machine manufacturers start to the automation, especially like for the also in the mid-store machine. We just try to focus on how to reduce the labors and how to reduce the energy spent. So now we normally use like a surface motor, and maybe the one machine just need one labor to operate. And finally, in the future, we just hope because we just will going to doing some of the data collection for the automation. Yeah, and say we will collection all of the mistake information, and how many energy, how many electricity used today, and how many we say the production quantity. We will collection those information.
Okay.
Go to the we say the main computer, then send the message or the email to the like a management or the boss the mail, and this means the boss or the manager they don't need to go into the factory and check machine by themselves. They just need we say they sit in the office and he can understand 100% to control now the machine's condition. So this is the feature we will do. Yep.
What next generation automation features would you think your company would be implementing for the enhancement of the industry?
For the next generation, we will thinking because for the outsole and the midsole machine, it's quite difficult to making we say the full automatically because as we know the shoes have a lot of different size. You know, like the children's and the men, women, and the size is from maybe 37 to the 44. Yeah, so it's really difficult to doing the full automation. But we just try to use the rubber hand to doing some of the job and to replace the labor, like maybe take out the finished product from the mold. Yeah, in the next generation, maybe we will cooperation with we say the rubber arm or rubber hand to doing this. And I think for the next generation, we will put the more focus in the data collection. Like I said before, the data collection is very important because that will help the boss or the manager can understand the condition of the machine, and we say how many production quantity, because in the old way, one machine production how many is normally is use the labor to paper to calculate it. But to waste the time and sometimes have the mistake. Okay, so but if now we just correlation those information by the computer, and we'll send the email to the boss or the manager to the mailbox directly. They will much easy. We say the manager and the boss to easy to control over the condition of the we say that also in the resource production. Yeah, I think this is the future we will just try to do.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you so much.